Well, that's nice. Nice bit of sunshine this morning. Looks like it's slightly out of adjustment on the angle of the tether. It's jerking a bit as it's going round. Well, this always jerks, but it's the car. It needs to be pointing at the right angle. Otherwise the wheels drag. Right, so we know it works. Now I shall try putting a supercapacitor across the solar panel so it will charge up in the sunlight, and it should keep it running for a little while when it goes behind a shadow or a cloud. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.